Hi everyone. Pranam Nana Saab, Nani Saab, Kaki ji, Anil Mama, Jhoom Mama, Shanti Mama, Channa Mami, Hema Mami, Manju Mami. Hi Swati Bhabhi, and all my amazing cousins out there. It's been so long since I met you all. Manas Bhaiya, I miss you so much. Nakul Bhaiya, your jokes, Munnu, your cuteness, I miss all of it. Krati, I'm so glad I could catch up with you in Mumbai recently. Mom and Bhaiya, I'm just going to see you in 2 more months. I have Mao Bhaiya with me to understand how sad this is. My favorite sister is getting married, and it's horrible that I can't be there with her while she treads on a fresh new path. Neha Didi, you've been an amazing sister and a friend to me whom I have shared so many things with and whom I could fall back upon. I have shared some of the best childhood memories with you, with some crazy things that we have done together. Remember that one night where we put wicks on our face and slept thinking that it's just going to glow next day? And the day when I left you with the kinetic and ran for my life? I'm so sorry. So much shopping, eating, talking rubbish, making fun of people, watching movies, sleepovers, dancing, and the best were our swimming lessons. You teaching me economics, your obsession with Garnier face products कि मैं अभी भी सूंघता हूँ तो मुझे आपकी याद आती है, and so much more. I could just go on and on and on. It'll be so weird not seeing you around when I'll be in Indore next. How much we've spoken about weddings, and now it's finally happening. I wish I could see you dress up like the prettiest bride ever, your Mehendi, Sangeet, and be next to you and everyone out there and have the most amazing time. You and Gaurav Jijaji look wonderful together, and I wish you always stay this happy. Jiju, I'm sure I'm going to be coming down to Pune soon to meet all of you. And Neha Didi, like we decided, we'll travel and shop. Nakul Bhai has promised me to get both of you married again, so I could be a part of it at least then. And if it doesn't happen, somebody please get married soon. Maybe Nakul Bhai itself. I have so much to say, but I don't have the right words as tears stream down my face. But all I have to give is a huge, huge, big bear hug and want to let you know that I really love you so much and I'm gonna miss you so bad. I wish you the happiest married life ahead with so many kids. Neha Didi, just keep laughing like you always do. Just absorb all the love and happiness around you as you walk away from us into your new world, lightening up more lives like you always do. See you really, really, really soon. Take care. Lots of love. Have a mad time. Kisses, hugs. Bye.